When Social Security evaluates an SSDI claim, having a serious medical diagnosis is only part of the equation. Social Security also wants to know what you are still capable of doing despite your medical conditions. This is called your Residual Functional Capacity, or RFC, and mistakes involving your RFC can have a major impact on how your claim is evaluated. One of the biggest mistakes is focusing too much on the diagnosis and not enough on functional limitations. You might have degenerative disc disease, neuropathy, arthritis, heart disease, depression, or another serious condition, but Social Security generally needs evidence showing how those conditions actually affect your ability to perform work activities. For example, instead of simply saying that you have severe back pain, the evidence should help establish how long you can sit, stand, and walk, how much you can lift or carry, whether you need to change positions frequently, and whether you need additional breaks during the day. Another mistake is overlooking limitations that aren't as obvious. Maybe medication makes you drowsy. Maybe fatigue forces you to rest during the day. Perhaps pain affects your concentration, or your symptoms cause good days and bad days that could make regular attendance difficult. Those issues can be important when Social Security evaluates your ability to sustain full-time work. Mental limitations matter too. An RFC assessment may consider your ability to understand and remember instructions, maintain concentration, interact appropriately with other people, adapt to workplace changes, and handle normal work pressures. Another major problem is inconsistency. If you report significant limitations on your disability forms, but your medical records contain little or no discussion of those problems, or contain statements that appear inconsistent with them, Social Security may question the severity of your limitations. That's one reason it's important to discuss your actual symptoms and functional difficulties with your medical providers rather than assuming that a diagnosis tells the whole story. And don't make the mistake of thinking an RFC is simply a form your doctor fills out and Social Security automatically accepts. Your treating provider's opinions can be valuable evidence, but SSA evaluates medical opinions and the other evidence in the record under its rules when determining what limitations are supported. Ultimately, the RFC can be critical because Social Security uses it when deciding whether you can perform your past work or adjust to other work. Disability Advocates Group helps SSDI claimants with every step of the application and appeals process. If a medical condition is preventing you from working, call Disability Advocates Group at 800-788-2095 for a free consultation, or use our free SSDI screener at ssdianswers.com to see if you may qualify for SSDI benefits. This video provides general information about SSDI. It does not constitute legal advice.